Good. We're going to be working on the road test. We got our client here. He's going to be going to Amazon Prime in California. So we're just sitting here waiting and being patient. This is a protected left turn, so we're looking for Sean to turn into the nearest lane by the double yellow. Yes, sir. Go straight. The road tester will ask you a question. If you have to hit something, what should you hit?
Oh, soft.
Something soft. You never want to hit anything hard as a tree or rock. Great job. Sean has good hand placement. 9 and 3, 10 and 2, 7 and 5. We know there's an airbag in the middle. We are here in the United States, so we tend to do hand over hand. I know that is a controversy because of the airbag, but he has his thumbs away from the airbag, so that's a good job. Speed control's pretty good. We live in a wooded area of the country, so deer could pop up. This is a hazard other places around the world don't have, but where we're from, those deer could come up. If we were in Australia, it'd be a freaking kangaroo. Right. Speed control is really nice. Great job. He covered the brake really nice. He's checking mirrors. Consider me like your driver's ed uncle. I'm going to give you these elements you need to be safe drivers. What does that warning sign mean?
Fire station.
Yes, exactly. Fire trucks can come out, and while people are running out of the house, they run into the house. When you come to take your road test, driving test, you should know how to drive. You should know what to do. If you haven't practiced, you will be exposed. Please make a left turn at the light for us. And then Sean is getting in at the right time. And that's a protected turn. When it's clear, make your left. Good, he checked traffic. And we're looking for him to turn in the correct lane. Nice job, nice turn, good job. Definitely gonna get his license. He takes his test at 4:30 today, so this is real. We're not playing here. You will be a little bit nervous and tense with your road tester because this person can determine if you pass or fail. But if you drive your normal safe driving fundamentals, and remember everything your parents taught you, and what you're seeing here, you will do fine. Speed control is really nice. If you drive under speed, that can be cause for a failure also. He's just fine. And what does this warning sign mean?
A railroad crossing.
So you have to do your proper fundamentals. So we're looking for this young man to look left and right over the see him look. That is great. Nice. Take the back way in.
Okay.
Go past the light and do the back way so we can continue to get some turns. Go ahead and get us over one lane, please. See him check his blind spot. That's a great job. Nice. And you should see the rear of the tires on the ground. If you can't see the rear of the tires, then that could be a point for a deduction, because if we get rear-ended, we'll have one collision, we'll have the secondary collision. Great job. So how do you feel so far about the test preparation?
I definitely feel way more confident going over parallel parking and getting to feel more just being able to do it more, practicing more, definitely is more helpful for sure. So.
Excellent. I'm glad to hear that. And we as instructors and testers, we want you to pass. Drive with confidence. This will change this young man's life. See him check traffic? That's excellent. That's what the road tester will look for. He's signaling 100 feet or half a block. Great job. Squeezing those brakes real nice. And I want to see him turn. Nice job. Good job. This is an uncontrolled intersection, so we want to be mindful, and they will take you through neighborhoods. Checking that traffic. Awesome. Go ahead and make a left turn for us, please. So that's where someone actually hit the sign and they broke it. Pole sticking out right there. See him look, he checked. Nice job. Looks like someone did a burnout right here or something. Right. At the street coming up, make a right turn. I'm looking for great steering, good speed control, and just good eye movement. So we'll see him look into the turn. Nice. Oh yeah. Great steering, turn out slow. Nice job. Good. Take us to the villa. You're doing a great job. That's great. I'm very happy for you.
Thank you. Turn right.
Yes. Go in slow. Squeeze that brake. Looking for good steering. Nice. Okay, go here, pull in between those two mailboxes. We'll talk a couple minutes, give you some feedback. Good. Go up a little bit more and turn back and go ahead and put it in park. Okay, so you've done a great job. Your test is at 4:30. It is 2:31. This is real. We're out here driving. Tell us some of the things you wanted to work on.
I definitely wanted to improve my skills on parallel parking. I lacked the experience, so I wanted to improve myself on that. I definitely feel sometimes I lacked backup parking. I don't really do that often either, so I wanted to gain the experience in that. Sometimes I have problems staying in the lanes, and speed control, maybe stepping on the gas or stepping on the brake too much. But I definitely feel pretty confident, and yeah.
That's awesome. This young man has done a great job, really mastered the parallel parking. We worked on those fundamentals, cutting that wheel at a 45, having great speed control, good observation skills, looking over railroad tracks. You will pass your test. I'm very happy for you, and I want to say thank you.